Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about Git tag. But why do we need tag? Tag help us to manage our code in a better and efficient way. This way we can label a particular version like alpha, beta, or release 1.0 or release 2.0. Like that we can give different tag to different versions. Now let's see what are the points we are going to cover in this video. So first we are going to talk about two different tags. One is lightweight and second is annotated. We'll see the difference in between these two. Second, we are going to list all the tags. Third, how to check the difference in between two different tags. Fourth, how to update the tag. Fifth, how to delete tags. So all these points we are going to discuss. Let's check the Git status. So Git status, and this is clean working directory. Now I'm going to check the log. So git log, one line, decorate and graph and all. And here we can see master and new branch both are pointing to same commit. Now let's add one lightweight tag. So git tag, I'm going to provide the name as version 1.0. Now let's regenerate the log, and here we can see lightweight tag has been added. I'm going to copy one commit ID so that I can add annotated tag here. So git tag -a for annotated, and then provide the tag ID and commit ID here and enter. This time, as it is annotated, we have to provide one message along with tag. Now let's save this one, and annotated tag has been added. Now let's generate the log, and here we can see this tag. So next is how to check all the tags available. So for that we can use git tag -list, and this way we can see all the tag available. Now if I wanted to compare the difference in between these two tags, for that I can use git diff and provide the tag ID, and this way we can see the difference in between two tags. Now next is, if I wanted to update the tag, one way is I can delete it and then I can add tag to the new commit ID. But in case I directly wanted to update it, so for that I just copied the commit ID, and here git tag and provide the version 0.9, and here I will give the new commit ID and one more indicator -f for forcefully update it. Now let's see the log, and we can see it has been updated. Now next is how to delete the tag. So let's generate the tag list so that we can see there are two tags, and I want to delete one of them. So git tag -delete, and I can provide the tag ID here. This will delete the first tag. Let's delete the second one also, and this way we can delete both the tag. And now if I will check the log again, here we can see there is no tag available. So thank you for watching.